Hello friends, I just completed setting up this demo website for online plant store. This is amazing and it has all great layout and features that we may need to sell online plants. Yes, so it is an e-commerce website for plant store and I use Lustria. Lustria multi-purpose WordPress theme for plant store, and this theme is a perfect choice when you are targeting a website for online plant store. It offers 8 plant shop home pages and it is really all good layouts are here. So I'll show you some more layouts that I got with this installation. You can choose any of these layouts, all are stunning in look. The presentation of content is really very impressive. So in this video I'm going to give you insight of this theme in case you are looking for a theme for plant store or online store for related products. This can be a very good choice. So let us discuss some points about this theme. This theme has been developed by Z5 theme and they are Power Elite author at Envato Market. It clearly means we are going to get a high class quality and coding label with this theme. Lustria features 8 plus cleanly designed demo home pages templates for you to get started, and it is an attractive and neat WordPress theme created for gardening and house plants. So if you are targeting any such website, basically gardening products and the plants, so you can read all these details through the link given in the video description, and once you decide to buy this theme, you can go to the themeforest.net through the video description link and buy the theme just for $60. In the $60 you'll get all the benefits in addition to free membership at iCreate program. So let us take a quick review and quick insight for this theme so that you may get all the idea what you'll get after buying this theme, how you can customize your website with the Lustria. So first of all, I'll show you the number of pages that I got in this demo import, and here are 49 published pages. So inner pages are also well available and all the home pages of course. So we can choose any of these home pages 1 2 3 4 7 8 and internal pages as well. And if we talk about the number of posts, that of course can be changed. So 14 are here, and the media elements means the images, that is high quality images included is 194 media items. So all the media items are very high class and it can be directly used on the website, I believe, right? And the important thing, you are going to get both major page builder option with the theme, and you can choose either using the Elementor page builder or the WP bakery, whatever you may choose. So these are the options, two options. Either you can proceed with the Elementor, and WP bakery is also here. So I have chosen the Elementor, and now I'm going to quickly give you all these navigations and its contents. UBE elements, first of all we can see here. So these are elements for adding features like business consulting. Okay, so features like what are the elements? Okay, so these are the elements that enables the theme with more features like call to actions, business hours, and adding such widgets or the content on the website. So you can simply toggle on and off whatever you want. Next I have the Instagram widget for Instagram feeds. So it is all here. So you can configure the Instagram connection here. Lustria G5 Plus is the theme panel that gives us all the capability to edit the basic things and set up the theme core things. So like welcome page gives us the documentation and knowledge base. The plugins what has been used and installed with the Lustria. and here we can also get updates and activation deactivation options are also here. I'll show you the plugin screen as well. The install demo option gives us to import the demo. The system status is to check the status the system before we proceed to importing a demo. So like wp config file is showing red here. I'll show you in another video how you can increase the wp memory limit. So I believe there is a video on the channel itself. If you are a regular visitor, you can find any topic on the WordPress for the WordPress website on this channel, and I'm sure uh, you are regularly watching the videos coming on the channel for troubleshooting and all theme and plugin reviews. Okay, so the font management gives us option to choose the Google font or standard fonts etc. Further we have the skin options, like we can choose either light version or the background color, heading color, and even the dark options, FAQ options we can change. Theme options gives us control on basic things, like we can add the lazy load images, custom scroll back on top, RTL mode or social media connections and all, page transition effects. So we can enable and disable the things. Layout option has option to choose a white site layout or the box or framed, main content options and the mobile options. So for layout controls, top drawer, either it can be hidden or the toggle or show option. Top bar options, we can choose among the top bars if we want to show on the website. Header, we have multiple header, we can choose any of these header types. By default all is selected. And further on the customization items are here, like sidebar, custom HTML we can choose if we want to show on the header area. So this is very comprehensive and easy to customize options are here, like top bar, where to logo is to be displayed, search box, header plot, and all these options can be found here for the header. Logo of course gives us option to upload the retina logo and the base logo, sticky logo, and the logo padding and the mobile logo and all. Page title just for breadcrumbs and navigations. Footer area is also here, typography, colors, and the connections for social media and all. Blog, WooCommerce, the preset settings, and the CSS and JavaScript. So I must show you the plugins what has been used in the theme. With the theme also all plugins was included. I just installed the plugins and the theme as in general steps as I used to show. So in case if you need any support for installing the theme and the demo and the plugins, so we can help you through the iCreate program. Just follow the video description link and connect a mentor on the live chat at iCreate program. Okay, so I must tell you Elementor and Elementor Pro is included. I have not taken the subscription of Elementor, but it is available. So just note it, Elementor and Elementor Pro is included with the theme and you don't need to buy it separately. So Pro of course. And the contact form 7 is here, G5 install demo and the post like. So these are the plugins from the G5. This is the Lustria framework and MailChimp for WordPress, post views counter and the slider evolution. Ultimate bootstrap elements for Elementor for enhancing the feature of Elementor. WooCommerce is of course here because we are ultimately making the e-commerce website. WP Mail SMTP for mail configuration for SMTP setup. This is not for you. And WP Bakery page builder is also here just in case if you want to use. WP Zoom Instagram social feed, YITH WooCommerce compare and YITH WooCommerce wishlist. So all plugins was included with the theme pack. So I have not installed any additional plugin except this one. This is Reset Pro. This is not for you in fact. So I am using this plugin for resetting the demo sites. Okay. Now next is here G5 Lustria. I have shown you the content block is the next section that I wish to show you. and here you can choose the top bar or the footer for editing with the Elementor. Further, we have mega menu option in case you want to edit the elements at mega menu and the category and all. You can even add new mega menu. For products, of course, you can follow the pattern of uploading products at WooCommerce. So here are the products, and by default 21 demo products are here. You can follow the same pattern of uploading the product. And as I said, if you need any support regarding to customization or uploading the product or customizing the layouts, we are here just a click away. So just get in touch with us on the live chat at iCreate Program. It is going to be absolutely free. When you are buying the theme at themeforest.net through the video description link, that is an affiliate link. So what this $60 gives you? It is very important. In the $60, you'll get a premium licensed theme through the Envato market, that is on themeforest.net. You'll get the quality checked by Envato itself, the future updates, all future updates of this theme, 6 month support from the G5 theme, who are the original developer of this theme. In addition to this, you'll get a free membership at iCreate Program that we are offering you, and where you can get in touch with a mentor to customize your theme, to customize your website, to launch your website in every successful manner. So it is good, and all is for your business website, of course. Okay, so this is the product listing, and you can follow the same pattern, and I'll show you the next thing. YITH is just for compare and wish list. So if you want to configure, however, it is already configured. I don't need to show you, I believe. So this is the layout and options. So you can explore all. Ultimately, you are going to create your website, so you can customize the things and that you want for your website. I'm just willing to show you all the options what is available, so that your purchasing decision is going to be clear and you can get a correct theme. So you have hundreds of themes to choose and compare on this channel. So in this particular business category for plants and the online store, like the gardening products and all the home decoration products through the green plants and all, so you get at least 5-10 themes to choose and compare. So don't worry, you can watch other videos as well. Okay, so YITH is here. WP Bakery, page builder, all the options of WP Bakery. So keep in mind, you just need to keep active only one page builder, either Elementor if you are choosing Elementor, or the WP Bakery. So it is totally your choice how you are proceeding. I would recommend Elementor because it is also offering Elementor Pro. So you can disable the WP Bakery in the plugin area. Next, we have the post views and SMTP configuration. This is for email configuration through your server and to send emails, of course. Slider Revolution is the area where you can edit the hero slider image. So this is very important because the slider is the main thing, and here no slider had been used. Okay, good. So now I'll take you to the front end of the website where you can start editing or customizing your website. Let us assume we are editing this page, the home page, and just open the page that you want to edit. Hover on the area if you want to edit the slider 1, 2, 3. So Slider Revolution has not been used in this layout. So you have to edit the slider part directly from here, slider 1, 2, 3. I mean 3 images, and that is being used through the Elementor setup itself. So you can edit the slider part using Elementor options. So I'll show you. This is the slider part, and you can edit the content here, and you can change the text, the image if you want. Here are in the left navigation you'll get the change options. Just keep in mind, when you are changing the image or text, keep the same dimension of image or same length of text, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Or you can use the navigator as well to go to the respective section that you want to edit, right? Now For the rest of section, Elementor is well available here. So just click on the edit with Elementor option and you will be able to control all the contents using Elementor page builder. Elementor is very easy to use and I believe you will be able to handle all these things without having any specific technical knowledge. So like this part is coming from the product listing and all. So you just need to click on the pencil icon and you will be able to control all the contents, change all the contents and all. So I'm open and we are available to answer all your questions for customization and help. And you just need to buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. Just in case if you have yet not taken domain name and hosting, you can follow the link of WP Themes website where you can choose most top hosting providers there and you can choose the good hosting and there you can also book the domain. And for theme you need to follow the link of Envato Market themeforest.net in the video description, sure, and you will be able to start with the hosting, the theme, and I believe you can launch your website in a day or two when you are having the ready content with the help of mentors. And you can ask basic level of customizations for free, and for even for training and supports you can get in touch with mentors. So of course you need to chat with them. Okay, so in next video I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. And I'm keeping this setup for next features to show up next features for WooCommerce website. So just keep watching the videos coming on the channel because I'm getting multiple questions regarding WooCommerce customizations and features. So I'm going to add some series of videos how you can do certain things for WooCommerce website. So don't miss the videos. However, there are many already on this channel, but I'll try to summarize the basic features for WooCommerce in coming videos. So just keep watching and let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.